没有你假装啊，买啦买啦买啦这样子。
我们先买一下。耶。
We just checked in. Not me, but okay. Yeah, so we just checked in. But the room isn't ready yet. But they said that they will call us when the room is ready. So let's go for our lunch first. Happy birthday! 你刚才跟谁讲 Happy birthday? Happy birthday! Birthday boy! Birthday boy, doctor birthday! Wow, look at the lobster! Fresh? Very fresh. Just came up from the lift and oh my god, the room is just here. Hey, the door already heavy. I come. You need to come in first, Mama. You know the door slam you, Mama. Welcome to Carlton Hotel. Premium room, huh? Premium room. Okay, so this is the space. It's not too bad, quite nice. So you can like look at the mirror. Okay. Then on my left, this one is the toilet. I think this room is actually not bad because of like the marbly tiles, and then they have like the mirror. It feels a bit more atas. Okay, I think this is their in-house what do you call it? They don't have like a specific brand for all the amenities, and this is quite cute. This one is from the White Company. This is the hand and body lotion and the luxury soap bar. Luxury soap bar. Okay, tissue paper, and then this is the magnifying mirror. Oh, the sanitary bag is here. Let's go into the shower area. Don't know why no lights. Don't know what happened. It's supposed to have lights. And then they have like you can hang the towel here. There's a bit some paint here. Okay, and then there's like a bathtub, and you can actually see outside from inside and outside to inside and inside outside, you know. This one is, they have shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. Quite nice, jasmine rose and neroli. Not bad. And then this is the shower area. They have the shower head and the rain shower. And then this is the bathtub. Not very big, but I think it's okay. Yeah. But here they like to have a lot of glass mirror all around. So if you are coming here with your friend, you know you need to take note. Yeah, in a picture. Then let's proceed to the room. This is where you have the safe, and then the hair dryer is here. This is a closet. Okay, just nice enough hangers, and then the bathrobes and the bedroom slippers. Follow me. Hiding there. And then come here, there's like a not so big size Samsung TV, and then like a Nespresso coffee machine. They have the capsule, mate? Ah, okay, so the capsules are here. Capsule. Oh, one thing that's good that is they use plastic to seal it, which is good. It's hygienic. Oh! Okay, and then the kettle is here. And this is the fridge. How to open? Okay, it's from this side. Wow, an empty fridge. Oh, this one also plastic. Okay, good. And then antibacterial wipe. And this is the... what brand? Is this Herman Miller? Yes, it's Herman Miller. Okay, Herman Miller, so you can see here. Hey, not bad eh. Quite, not bad eh. Wow, very good. Can sit here and do your work. Wow, not bad. Interesting eh. Cute. I've never been to a hotel that has all these stationaries. Can bring back one or not? So don't iron your clothes here lah, huh? Use got ironing board, then you just use the iron board. So you can sit here and look at the view, and then sip your tea, and then今天的天气风和日丽. Okay, this couch here it feels a bit xiao sexy. It feels a bit like cues the kind of romantic music. Okay, the color a bit sassy, you know, red hot sassy. And the king size bed here. Bottled water is here. So please remember to, you know, if you want to pee or you want to shower, remember to do this. This is the aircon controller. The room that I booked is actually the deluxe room, but because it's my daddy's birthday and then they upgraded him to this premier room. That's about it. Why he like to hide? You admiring the wall tiles? Can you go and admire again? Go and admire again. Go. Wow. How is it? So do you like this room?
Okay, good.
Okay, good. So it's like or don't like?
Oh, good. Excellent.
Okay. Alright. You may say like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. Let's go. You're supposed to say like,
comment, subscribe. Yeah.
Happy birthday! Yeah, 因为你假装啊，买啦这样子。
我们先买一下。
Happy birthday!
买啦。Thank you.
Oh my god, we just came back and then they gave us this, okay, not me, happy birthday, and they gave one for happy anniversary, which is very good because usually hotels they don't give like two. So Carlton. Wow! Oh my god, look at that!